Wow, gooseberry season ahishi to ide gooseberry wala do na sabi to. Ke mani mucha je. That's itu chingwai na gooseberry to. Kakabi chingmi na. Ita duya chingle ho jabo. Bishi na liwe pichile baki le dama chingwi lai wo do na. Wow, man cute. Oh wow, man pal na. Man pai shide he. Oh, we got so many. See guys, we found a bird nest, but it's already gone. Oh, bird nest. You should leave it hand. Judge, you should. Pacha paina na. Wow. We have to cross this river. Our panikirani hai. There's a big landslide. Half part is gone. Guys, these are jungle vegetables. Jungle fruits. ये भी खाती हूँ. This also we eat. Pani di masih sabaz na kakana. The water is very clear. The sound of the water flow, so nice. Kaka sabi to hey, do tinga chongala hey fruits eh. We have found that jungle fruits, but still it's not ripe. Let's capture them. See, wow. Imas na. We call this popoti in my dialect. Popoti. What nikal raha hai dekho. We call this popoti. Once it ripe, it looks like a yellow color. And inside, tala kuti doro titas de. Aro idu khai do bishi bala se. The water is so clear na kaka. Last time we caught crab also. But I didn't think there will be a crab. Last time when we came here for crab catching, we caught so many crab. Widow, it's so nice. Water is so clear na. So fresh na. If we go up a little more, I think we will get a crab also. But we will not be going up for catching crab. Today we not come for catching crab, so it's going to rain also. बारिश होने वाली हूँ, सो मैं हम लोग चले जाऊँगी. Wow. Hi guys, we just came to check the bamboo shoot, but so far अभी भी bamboo shoot एक भी नहीं निकला है. Just found this small one. Guys, I saw in YouTube some people have uploaded this plant. It's a snake plant. I think they eat this one also, but it's very scary. So guys, bamboo shoot ekta bhi nahi de. It has season hua se aro kina ekta bola nahi do hai. Eman ranghang di climb kursi lebe ko pa nahi de. अब नहीं बस चिंगा चिंगाला दिखाई दे बुझला एक तभी नहीं दे. आया farmers kan किसी मोर मस दे. तान मा अंदु पर जंगल देना मच्छर का कामोइना बस चिंगा हन अनीना ना रंगखंग दे कता हम लगी नहीं ना है. अंदु पर रंगखंग दे अनी दे. तो मान सब मनु खेती करा मनु हन farmers kan टाउन ते बिकी बोला है ना. ताहाला किना खाबी दे. शुद्ध पानी दे ताहान. I found a mushroom also. And see this care also has a beautiful mushroom, but we are so scared to have mushrooms, so we will not take this one. We'll just keep it like this. Okay, guys. मुझे ना मान जंगल ही ना बेरा वाले भी शुक्र पाई दे इतना अच्छा लगती हूँ ऐसा जंगल में घूमने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगती हूँ हमको इतना अच्छा लगती है देखो क्या बात है It's so fun to be in the jungle with the nature. Guys, see another mushroom is here. Here's another mushroom, but we don't need all this mushroom. I was very scared to eat mushrooms, so it's so nice to capture the picture. So we will not harm. We'll just keep like this, guys. Wow, there's another big mushroom is there. See? Wow. इतना बड़ा मशरूम क्या बात है Alright. But this looks like a snake. My goodness. See, it looks like a snake. Wow, it's danger. Aro, I've seen something very cute. See, guys. Wow, it's a mushroom. So cute. That's a mushroom. Let me touch with a stick, not with fingers, okay? It might be a poison, so see the mushroom? Wow, so cute. Bye. So we have to cross the river again. So scary. Guys, see my leg. Cling, 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 cling. Ima sundor ase sabi to khiti khana hai. Ki mami sundor na? Pani khiti to. Pani ma grow masi to hoy. Because this is it's not running water. That is why. It's not running water. That is why it's warm. So beautiful. Hey, my friends. I hope you all like this jungle views. If you like these jungle views about today, please comment in my comment box, and you can share with your friends also. See the sounds of jungle, the insects. Iman hunuli sundor na, muchas na. So lovely. So now we are going to make noodles. Noodle banana khaina jawales de. Guys, we are going to make noodles. But it started to rain. Let's see. It's raining and we are making fire to make noodles. Aya, isor pani nikri bide mohan noodles kha bichi nikri bide moram bra. See guys, our cute dikshi. So ita pani halibi. We bought water from our home. You put some more. How we actually banana khana jaw lage because it's raining. We have put our umbrella here like this. See guys, we made a small hut with bamboo. So see, we have already put masala now, and let's put some little red chili also. Marlene, you put red chili. We bought from home. Yeah, this is red chili. And we bought onion also. So we are going to put green chili also now. Green chili we have to put first, otherwise to pet bikawana. Guys, when you go to the jungle na, when you make this chimney na burning, you can just cut a big tree, okay, green, so you can use like this. It's a very good idea. We don't need to bring that loha. So already boiling me why? Smoke. The smoke is making me cry. We made a small hut. It's raining. It's raining, so let's put the noodles also. Okay, hurry up. It's raining, so make it faster. जल्दी से बना के खाएंगे चले जाऊंगी. Okay. So you make fire also. Okay. Put all the noodles. Oh, jelly boil hubi. It's raining. Hi guys, it's heavy rain now. It's raining. Guys, it's raining, you know.